What's up? So I'm prepping this LS for paint. One of the bolts is broke just to a stud. That one came out with Vise grips. This one, I had to put a little weld on it, and it'll come right out too. The other side's even worse, so we'll get to that in a minute. So after further inspection, we had one there, a broken stud, broke a bolt to where it was a stud, so I welded on a nut. Then I had that one I took out with Vise grips. Then I looked down here and, oh boy, look. There it is. Let's get that one out now. So if you weld a glob to it, you grip it, because it won't stick to aluminum. May not be pretty, but it works. It's easier than welding a nut to nothing. I don't like welding a nut inside there. When the bolt goes inside, I don't like that. That's probably hot. It's not too bad. Let's see. It works. Alright, on this side we're dealing with one that broke off, left a stud. We're going to try Vise grips first, but we're going to move the temp sensor so we can access that, and then all the way down there. We got another one inside, so we'll weld a glob to it and take it out with Vise grips again. That wasn't quite supposed to happen like that, but it's fine. It's okay. Move that sucker. That's nasty. Will it work? I don't know. I don't know if it's stripped or it came off. Oh, I think it worked. I should have took out that spark plug. It's annoying me. And that one came out with Vise grips. Sometimes you get lucky. Didn't have to weld a nut to it. Let's go. I just burn it really hot at first and then slowly tack it till you build this little, whatever you want to call it, glob on the end. And then just thread it out. Because your weld will not stick to the aluminum, so you have to weld first really hot so it burns into it onto the bolt. That way your weld will stick. Not quite. And boom. That's how it's done. Easy as pie.